friends, in this video we are going to study the skeletal system. Skeletal system forms the supporting framework of the body. It is made up of bones and cartilages. The bones are hard and brittle while cartilages are comparatively soft and elastic. Functions of the skeletal system. The main functions of the skeletal system are: first, supporting framework. Skeletal system forms the framework that supports and gives shape to the body. Second, protection. It surrounds and protects inner delicate organs like lungs, heart, brain, eyes, etc. Third, attachment of muscles for movement and locomotion. It provides attachment to the skeletal muscles and helps in the movement of body parts like arms, legs, etc. It also helps in locomotion and handling of various objects. Fourth, formation of blood corpuscles. Red blood corpuscles RBCs and white blood corpuscles WBCs are produced in the bone marrow of some bones. Bone marrow is the soft and jelly-like tissue found in some bones. Fifth, storage of minerals in the body. Bones store essential body minerals like calcium and magnesium. The human skeletal system. Human skeleton is formed of 206 bones. Though an newborn child has 300 bones, some of them fuse as the baby grows and only 206 bones are found in an adult. The skeleton consists of 4 main parts, namely skull, vertebral column, rib cage and limbs. We are going to study them in detail in the video. Skull. The first part of the human skeletal system is skull. The skull consists of 22 different bones that are divided into 2 groups, namely bones of cranium and bones of face. Cranium is formed of 8 bones. It is the brain case and protects the brain. There are 14 facial bones. These bones form the upper and lower jaws. The lower jaw is movable. Due to this, the opening and closing of mouth is possible. The second part of the skeletal system is vertebral column, also known as backbone or spine. The vertebral column or backbone extends from the base of skull to the hips. The backbone is formed of 33 small ring-like bones called vertebra. The vertebrae are joined end to end. Thus, they form a bony tube which protects spinal cord that passes through it. As you can see in the figure, The vertebral column is divided into 5 regions. The neck region from the top, the chest region, the belly region, the hip region, and the tail region. Rib cage, the third main part of human skeletal system. The rib cage is formed of 12 pairs of ribs and a median plate like sternum or breastbone. The first 10 pairs of these ribs are attached to the breastbone. The ends of last 2 ribs are free. These ribs are called floating ribs. The rib cage protects lungs and heart. The limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs in human beings, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. The forelimbs comprises of 3 long bones joined in a hinge. The 3 long bones consist of 1 upper and 2 lower bones. Hinge means a joint which moves in one plane, like the doors of our room. The bones of forelimbs and in small bones that form the fingers. The forelimbs carry 30 bones each. The first one is the humerus in upper arm, as you can see in the figure. Radius and ulna in forearm. The second figure you can see the radius and ulna. 8 wrist bones, also known as carpals. 5 palm bones, also known as metacarpals. And 14 finger bones, known as phalanges. The second one is the hind limbs. It is comprised of 1 upper and 2 lower bones joined in a hinge. Once again, the hinge means a joint which moves in one plane like the door of our room. The bones of the foot end in small bones that forms the toe. The hind limbs also contain 30 bones each. The first one is the femur or the thigh bone. The first figure you can see, it is femur. Tibia, also known as shin bone, and fibula, also known as calf bone. The second figure you can see tibia and fibula both. Patella, commonly called the kneecap. 7 ankle bones, also known as tarsals. 5 foot bones, also known as metatarsals. And 14 toe bones, known as phalanges.